Have you ever wished you could step into the pages of your favorite book or movie? What if you could experience the world exactly as your favorite characters do? Well, that's where Vivid comes in. Imagine a world where you're not just reading about a bustling city, but actually walking through its streets, feeling the breeze on your face, and hearing the sounds of the city. Or maybe you're not just reading about a magical forest, but actually exploring its depths, surrounded by towering trees and the sweet scent of pine. That's where Vivid comes in. It's a revolutionary app that transforms the way you experience stories. Vivid uses cutting-edge technology to bring your favorite books and movies to life in immersive 3D environments. Key features: immersive 3D worlds. Step into the world of your favorite stories and explore them in stunning detail. Interactive storytelling. Influence the outcome of the story with your choices. Personalized experiences. Customize your experience to match your preferences. Social features. Connect with other Vivid users and share your favorite stories. How it works. To use Vivid, simply download the app and choose a story. The app will then create a 3D environment based on the story's description. As you read, the environment will evolve, bringing the story to life in a whole new way. Benefits of using Vivid: enhanced storytelling. Experience stories in a more engaging and immersive way. Improved comprehension. Better understand the story's plot and characters. Increased imagination. Spark your creativity and imagination. Stress relief. Escape into a different world and relax. Hear from real users who have experienced the magic of Vivid. Listen to their stories about how the app has transformed their reading and viewing experiences. Watch a live demo of Vivid in action. See how the app creates immersive 3D worlds and how users can interact with them. Vivid is more than just an app, it's a gateway to new worlds and experiences. By bringing stories to life in immersive 3D environments, Vivid offers a unique and unforgettable way to connect with your favorite tales. Are you ready to experience the future of storytelling? Download Vivid today and start exploring the endless possibilities of immersive reading and viewing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of Vivid and let your imagination run wild.